Hey guys, so I'm just going to show you how to get this look that I created using the 35OM Morphe palette. I just added a pop of purple underneath and smoked that out and just did a purple and black wing. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Please subscribe and I will see you on my next one. So I'm first just going to take this light neutral colour and I'm going to buff that all through my crease as our transition, so all the other colours will blend on nice and seamlessly. I'm just going to keep buffing that back and forth through my crease, windshield wiper motions till it's all buffed out. I'm then just going to take this next shade and just buff that all through the crease again, just a little bit lower to blend it in with that first shade. I'm then just going to take these two brown shades and just pop those through my crease and just lightly on the outer corner. I'm then just going to take that first brush we used with that first crease shade and I'm just going to buff out those colours so there is no harsh lines. Just going to take this dark chocolate brown shade in the left hand corner of the palette and on a small dense blending brush I'm just going to pop that on my outer corner and slightly buff it into my crease. Once I have blended that out, I'm just going to take a small eyeshadow brush and really pack that colour on the outer corner. So once again, just going in with a blending brush and buffing out any harsh lines so all those colours blend nicely together. So once we have blended out the eyeshadow, I'm going to do kind of a cut crease, so with some concealer, just popping it on your eyelid and looking up, so it will give you your guideline as to where to place your concealer. Just going to take the white from that palette and just set that concealer. Once that concealer has been set down in place, I'm just going to take the small fluffy blending brush and just blend that harsh line between the brown and the white. Once I've done that, I'm just going to take the small eyeshadow brush and pack on some more colour on that outer corner and blend it out. So I just went ahead and added a bit more white to the lid as we blended some of that away. Once I have done that, I'm just going to pack on some black eyeshadow. I'm just using my LA Colors eyeshadow in the shade Ebony. It's just a really, really nice black. And I'm just popping that on the outer corner and then blending that out. So once I have blended that shade out, I'm just going to put the white shade on my finger and just really pack that on, and then just blend out any harsh lines. I'm just going to go and do the other eye off camera, and then we'll be back to finish. Once I have blended all those shadows out, I'm going to then move on to foundation. I'm just going to use my Rimmel London Lasting Finish 25-hour foundation in the shade Soft Beige, and I'm just going to blend that out with my Chi Chi Beauty Sponge. I'm just going to build up the coverage of this foundation just to cover up a bit of my redness that is peeking through. I've just gone ahead and put some of my Maybelline Master Concealer under my eyes in the shade Fair Clair, and I've just blended it out with my finger to spread it out, and again just going in with my Chi Chi Beauty Blender to blend it all out. Once I have gone and blended all that concealer out, I'm just going to go in with my Rimmel London loose powder in the shade Transparent and just bake that concealer so it does not crease and does not move. I'm just going to go in with my Starlit Pressed powder in the shade Natural Ivory and set down the rest of the face and buff away that bake that we've got sitting under our eyes. I'm then going to go in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to take that middle shade at the bottom and just contour my face. Once I have contoured my cheekbones and just around my forehead, I'm going to take the Chi Chi Face Bronzer in Bronze Me Up and just warm up the skin, popping that all over the cheeks, the forehead, around under my chin, my neck, just to really give some warmth back into the face. I'm then going to go in with my NYX blush in the shade Pinched and just pop that on the apples of my cheeks and just blending that backwards. I just wanted to clean up the bronzer and contour a little bit as it's come too far down. So I'm just going to put the Rimmel translucent powder under my cheekbones with my beauty blender and then just buff that away, just to clean up the edge and get a nice crisp line. I'm then just going to go in with my BH Cosmetics Carly Bible palette, and I'm going to take the lightest 2 highlighter shades and just apply those with a fan brush to the high points of my cheeks, under my eyebrows, nose, forehead, pretty much everywhere. I just went ahead and set down my eyebrows with the L'Oreal Brow Artist Plumper in the shade Medium Dark, just so our eyebrow hairs stay in place. I'm then just going to take the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Purple Velvet and just pop that in my waterline to get ready to smoke it out for our pop of purple. So I just went into the Morphe 35p palette and took that really light mauvey lilac colour, and I'm just using that to blend the purple liner that we put in our waterline, and then I'm going to deepen that up and just blend it down a little bit further. Once I have blended out those 2 shades, I'm just going to take the darker purple and just pop that close to the lash line to deepen it up and to smoke it out a little bit more. I just applied a bit more of that NYX Jumbo Pencil just into my waterline and smoked it out a little bit more, just to make the purple a little bit more intense. I'm then just going to take the first shade from the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and just buff that under my eyes, just to clean it up a little bit and to brighten up the under eye. I'm then just going to go in with a liquid eyeliner. This is by Essence, it's just a plain black one. I'm going to attempt to do a wing. I'm not very good at them, but I did try. Once I have got the black wing down, I'm then going to take the Chi Chi matte liquid eyeliner. It's just in the purple shade, and I'm just going to sort of outline the top and just outline the bottom. I just went ahead and did the purple liner and the mascara off of camera, so I'll show you on this eye how I did it. One eye came out better than the other, as they normally do for me. So I tried my best just to even them up on both sides. I did have to redo the black on that side there as the purple had covered most of it. So I'm going to give my eyelashes a good couple of coats of the Essence I Love Extreme Volume Mascara. Also, please excuse the white coming off in my inner corner. My eye would just not stop watering, and no matter how many times I tried to fix it, it just wouldn't stay. So once we have done that, I'm going to use the Chi Chi Stay on lip liner in the shade Totally Nude, and then I'm going to go in with a NYX lip cream in the shade Sable and just apply that on top. So this is a finished look that I have come up with. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will chat to you on my next one.